In fashion, this is Vanessa. I am coming to you with my November monthly subscription box. It's a little late, but I have my November and my December monthly subscription box with the items that I have in it. So as usual, you get a little Clover monthly subscription box. So this subscription box is from Clover Boxes, and I'll put the information in the description box. This is not a sponsored video or a paid promotion. This is just a monthly subscription box that I received that I want to share with you guys. So, and I've received this box for the whole year of 2017. So you guys, I got this little card, and it usually gives you a description of each item and the company that you're receiving it from, and the regular price and cost of the item. They also give you a little notice to let you know that they are trying to be eco-friendly and help protect and maintain the environment. And sometimes they also give you little product promotions from the different companies. The different companies may include something special with the box. First off the bat, you guys, I have this spray, and this is by, I think it's Gatsby Soul, and I don't have on my glasses, so y'all know I'm gonna be looking like that. It's a body and room potion, and oh, it smells so good, y'all. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put this in the bathroom because this smells so good. I might put this by my bed so I could it has a very calming and relaxing. I'm gonna put this by my bed so when I go to sleep at night, I could spray this before I go to bed because it smells so good. And then next up, you guys, I have this lemon rosemary sea salt, and this is just a salt and seasoning that you can use on chicken, fish, potatoes, or anything that you would like. So it's just some different seasonings and ingredients. I'm going to try this very soon. And these are some coasters. It's 4 coasters. And I'm going to be using this very soon, you guys. I have a bad habit of, I enjoy all the products that I get in my monthly subscription box, but I have a bad habit of not immediately putting them to use, and that is a very bad habit because you're spending money on the box, and these are awesome products and things that you can actually start using and utilizing or re-gift if you don't want to use them. And I need to start using this stuff because I love the products, and it's an awesome savings, and I enjoy trying out new things. But like today, I'm going to take all this stuff and put it where it needs to go so I can use it. Like, I'm going to put these coasters on the table. I'm going to take them out the package. Matter of fact, I'm going to put these by my bed and my little end table in front of my bed so I can start using these right away. And then this is a deodorizer that you can use for your waste baskets, laundry baskets, and clothes, anything that you are storing away and you want to keep fresh. It also removes moisture, so I'm going to be putting this to use today and putting this in my laundry basket. And that is it, you guys, for November's monthly subscription box. So I have December's monthly subscription box right here. And again, it comes with a little card that tells you the price of everything that you're receiving in the box. And right off the bat, loving it. I don't know, I'm gonna have to use this in my head or something, y'all, because I can't fit this bracelet. Like, I do not like bangles. I cannot wear bangles unless they are open and closed because my knuckles are so huge, you guys. I can never get a bangle on me unless it's made for a person with big hands. So even though I love this and I'm going to have to re-gift it, I cannot fit it. I can't fit it. I'm sorry. And this, you guys, is a It's a color radiant transformative mask, color locks and intense repair, and I think this is for the hair. And oh, this smells so good. I just got through washing my hair today, you guys, and I could have used this. It smells. I just got some on my lip. It smells so good. Oh, I could eat this. It smells so good. And next up, I have this green tea primer, Prep and Protect Vegan. And let me see. It must have a little, oh yeah, it have a little syllable thing on it. I'm going to go put all of this where I can use this, start using this like right away. Because I have a drawer full of stuff that I am just haven't gotten around to using yet. Very disappointed in myself, but that's my New Year's resolution. Ooh, I put too much on my hand. That's my New Year's resolution, is to, I probably should have shook this up, is to just become better. I put too much. It has a very natural, kind of natural, non-scented scent, but as you can see, it glides on really well, and a little bit goes a long way, and it feels awesome. So I'm going to try a little of this in my face because it feels so good on my hand. And you guys, I went to Sally's Beauty Supply yesterday. I wanted to buy some of the collab makeup. It's a new brand of makeup that's out. And I don't know if you guys watch Raven Elise. And she was a part of that campaign. And so she's been kind of letting us know a little bit about the product. And I watch her and I'm subscribed to her channel. And I wanted to go out and buy some of the makeup for my birthday, which is today, Christmas Day. And they had a promotion. She had announced it on her channel. They had a promotion where you buy $19.50 worth of makeup and you get one of the brushes for free. Well, I went to Sally's to buy some makeup. They had everything, a full line of product, and no brushes, not one single brush. Like they didn't have any on the shelf at all. They say they didn't receive any. But how can you have a promotion and not have the brushes? So that was a little disappointing. I'm going to try to check some more stores. But other than that, I don't know. I don't know. So this is Z Mineral Natural Highlight Powder. It's a natural highlight powder, and that is how that looks. I just wasted some, and I'm not going to put that on my hand. And you guys, I love the little colors that are in the box. I love those. So you guys, that is going to be it for my haul video for the month of December and month of November and December for Clover Box subscription box. If you're interested in receiving their monthly subscription box, and they have a monthly subscription box for every single month of the year. So, you know, some subscription boxes only have one every quarter, but this is a monthly subscription box that you can get every single month. And now is the time to go ahead and opt in so you can get a subscription box for 2018 and receive one for January, February, all the way through to December. And I really enjoy all the products I get, you guys. It's very much worth it, and the products are quality products, and I love trying different and new products. So I am going to recommend it to you and leave a link in the description bar. Again, this is not a paid promotion or sponsorship or anything like that. Again, it is Clover boxes, and you can go to cloverbox.com if you can see that. And I love the card that they give you to let you know the retail value of each product. And usually also at the end of each product listing, they usually have a discount code from that particular product. If you go to that website and go online and order something else directly from that particular retailer, then you can get additional savings. Sometimes it's 20%, sometimes it's 30%, and sometimes it's a little bit more than 20%. So it just depends. And y'all, I love it. So that's going to be it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments in the comment bar below. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and come back for another video. So I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.